Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 10th, 2020. And we decided to go ahead and give you all the update on Ethereum today, let you all get a heads up as to what we are expecting the trap to do right before he takes the market there. Because if you haven't realized, that's the only thing in the market that matters, is following what the trap has in store for these cryptocurrencies. Everyone else tries to place down indicators. They try to look at articles to try to insinuate that this is where the market is headed, when the trap doesn't care about none of that. He doesn't care about articles. He doesn't care about any newsworthy events. He doesn't even care about indicators. The only thing that he cares about is taking your money, period. So in order for us to eliminate that, we need to predict and forecast where he's going, so that we can get in position and beat them there, so we can take back the bag. That's it. And that's what we do here on this particular channel. We give you all a heads up, forecast, prediction as to what we are noticing on the price chart, so we can get prepared. So if this is your first time watching a video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then join us on our website, even on social media platforms. Those links are in the description of the video. So I'm gonna give you a prime example right here. You guys can see we're looking at Ethereum, and we have a forecast listed on our price chart of what we expected him to do. We expected him to lower the value of Ethereum all the way back in October. October the 25th was the last time we did our video for this cryptocurrency. And we told you to expect the market to go lower in price. We told you that the trap was looking weak and that he wanted to lower the value of Ethereum. And that is precisely what occurred. Now, it's not a coincidence that we were able to time and show you where support would be at. The market held support at $380. The trap maintained the price at $380. We had that there as our ultimate TP price. So 6.87% bagged out. Easy. We was already in position right before he took the market in Ethereum there to 380. So another example, 6.87% done over. So now let's look at the market here. I mean, look at this. The market in Ethereum is still in a uptrend. The market in Ethereum is still exhibiting to us strength, so much so that the trap is almost trading back up here towards $480. Now look, this market in Ethereum hasn't been traded around $480 since, let's see on this price chart real quick. Right here, July 2018. So 2 years, we haven't seen this market in Ethereum trade around $500. 2 whole years. So that lets you know that there is a lot of interest coming into Ethereum, to the point to where people are willing to accept to pay $480, $500 per Ethereum coin in the market. This is precisely what demand looks like, what people are willing to pay for a product. That's it. So the demand in Ethereum is definitely increasing from what it has been recently, so much so that in 2 years the market is now right back to where it was, $480, $500. So the only question that we need to answer is, can the trap bring the price back up to 480? It did already back in September. And it did take a small movement to the downside, but it didn't break this ascending line at all. So the market in Ethereum, for the most part, the general consensus would be that it is stable. Our only focus is, can the trap succeed at breaking price above $480? That's it. So we're going to start off looking at the 3-day price bar for Ethereum. All right. So the last completed 3-day price bar, you guys can see that the volume definitely appeared, which lets us know that the weakness and the selling still is still there around $460. It's still there. So we got to be cognizant of that. We got to recognize that that the weakness and selling into the market in Ethereum is still there. I mean, look what occurred back around August the 31st, the end of August. We still got that same indication. So this area is still a hindrance in the market for Ethereum. Okay, and around this particular vicinity, $460, $450 is still restriction. So we're paying attention to that. We know. All right, we now know that. So can the trap break that? Because if so, that 480 is not going to be a problem at all into the market for Ethereum. I'll tell you that right now. Let's take a look at the market in Ethereum on the 5-day real quick. Again, that's the only hurdle that the trap will have to overcome is $450, $460. Weekly time frame, the market looks pretty good. It doesn't look strenuous. I would tell you, in order for us to see the trap break price in Ethereum above $460, $450, the market cannot fall below 400. Period. We see the price go below 400, market's not going to tag out at 480. I'll tell you that right now. So that's a plan. We're looking at that right now. And here we are looking at the market on the three weeks. So we are still in an uptrend. Okay, so all is great there. So the long-term market in Ethereum still looks to try to see higher price. We're looking around $480, $500 in the long term. Support is at 400. I told you that. Anywhere lower than $400, the market is now not going to go higher. Period. So on this video, let's do this. We're going to go ahead and put in another forecast of expecting the trap to go higher in price. We're going to hold support around 420 initially, but I did tell you pay attention to 400 as support as well. Okay. And we'll probably TP out the market around 460, which would be about 2.5%. I mean, not much, but we know that that is restriction. So it got to take some of that profit off the table around 460. But I'm going to increase it to around $480 in the market for Ethereum. And that's it. We sit back and wait. So this is our expectations. I want to know, what is yours? What do you see occurring in the market for Ethereum? Can we continue to see the market go higher in price? That is the question I want you to answer. And if so, how high do you think the market's going to go? Let us know. Where will the market be at in the next week? Next 7 trading days? Where will price be at? Because if anything, everything else doesn't matter. You need to get in position. All right. So let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.